We're doing this for you guys. Punch. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to be doing Popin Cookin. So we have the donut one, and we have the sushi gummy one, and we have some weird toilet one. So the next one we're going to do is this toilet one. So I'm going to start to open this. I can't even open it. Hiya. Oh, there's a toilet in there. Oh. Yeah, there was a toilet. And there was sauce. That's weird. There's like stickers to put on it. I think you can get either those two or those two. And we got the pink one. Okay, so I'm going to start to try to make this. Here, you can read me off the instructions. Okay. So, we're going to take the top toilet and put it to the bottom toilet. Take the top, put it to the top. Take the thing and put it in the thing. There you go. You're done. No, you don't make it in there. Oh, that's already made. Guys, okay. It says like Mako Mothly or something. Okay, I'm figuring it out by myself, I think that goes under there. You want the pink or blue powder? Pink. So, we've got ourselves our toilet. Oh. We make the pink one in here, the blue one in here. Okay. Oh. Look. Okay, this makes sense. So, wait, it's saying to fill this up with water, but there's holes in it. Where's it going? Wait, does it go down into here? Oh! Put it back down, It goes from there down in there. Now this is full because it's too small. I'm going to start to decorate our toilet. I'm going to give her a wand. Is this supposed to smell like poop? She's right. Okay, now this powder goes into this. Oh, it's going down. They don't give us any mixing thing. What? It's like volcanoing. Whoa. Oh. We got ourselves a plunger. It's like a straw. Oh, so it's volcanoing in here. But I think we were supposed to pour it in here. Maybe we're going to do that with the other one. Okay, so it's not going into there. But, so we have it in here. We're gonna make our pink one in here. I put on. It tastes weird. Pour the pink packet in. Oh, there's a tear line. Well. Oh, it's volcano. It's volcano. We're doing this for you guys. Punch. Taste it. A rumble! Clog the toilet and then like try to flush it and like it doesn't taste that good. I think we weren't supposed to add all of it. I think this is supposed to be like a sour thing. This is like medicine. I like to. That's literally the nastiest thing ever. Ew! Put it down. The last one we're doing is the donut one. Came in one of the packages again. It has like the. So I'll start working on this while you start cutting up our table. Oh, we're gonna be icing some, and also there's these cute little sprinkles. Okay, what are we doing first? So we're filling this circle up with water, and then putting in some powder. Oh, it smells so good. Custard dough powder. It's starting to morph into a dough. Oh. Gross. What do we do now after it's mixed? So it's okay, so you're going to make it into 2 equal parts. Oh. Next packet. I think right now we're making the chocolate. Our fairy lights fell down. Wait, add water. That'll be fun. So the sections that they gave us are too little. So we had to use 2 sections. Oh. It's a mess so far. We just made brownies and this smells like it. I guess we're making 2. Oh, it's sticky. Oh, it's sticky. Oh, that's sticky. I will get this. I don't know. Maybe we should make the molds last.
This is not going so well for me over here.
Okay, let's just do that one.
No, I'm working on this, sister. Yeah, not working. You're putting it in right in here. Come on! I got it. I'm back.
They all smell so good though.
This is so cute. I don't think we're supposed to roll in balls. This is going to be our chocolate icing right here, the black packet.
We have very liquidy icing.
Guys, our table was clean. Now it's oh, we lost our vanilla stuff.
I'm gonna be sticky after this. I'm gonna add the water slowly this time. They show like perfect balls, but ours are all like lumpy and stuff.
Ours are gonna be lumpy today.
This one might not work as well. I just figured out that you were supposed to fill this up with water, and that's how much water you were supposed to use.
Our soggy donuts will be great without that. Come on!
We might just be making our own flower-shaped donut. We're gonna make a donut hole because the flour's not working.
What was I expecting? Look at. Oh my gosh, guys. That looks like brownie mix. Okay, got this next.
It's not gonna work like that, right? There's no way someone can make this and their donuts can turn out like that.
Fake advertising.
What if we tried to do this without looking at the instructions?
Oh, then it would just be a mess.
Okay, that's good. That's good. Only have a tiny bit. Now I'll do it on this one. We can just add
the best part. The sprinkles.
These look nothing like the box. And here's our finished product. Let's compare it to the box. Looks just like it. 3, 2, 1. It's just like sugar and like jelly texture. So the toilet one was really weird. The gummy one worked at the best. This one was kind of a fail.
Okay, my opinion. I think the toilet one was a fail, and I think the gummy one was pretty easy, and then the donut one was like easy, except for the bread. Bye guys. Hope you liked the video.
But I feel better when I'm dancing. Yeah, yeah.